Hi, it's Judy here. I thought I'd give you a bit of an idea of what I've been doing for the last few weeks. I've been writing equation lessons, and some of these here are worksheets that I've put together that I'll give you a bit of a look at. This one is an early one with addition and subtraction, looking at the part total for addition and for subtraction. So all of these are worksheets that have the three-part lesson structure ahead of them. This is the independent task, basically. Here's another one for addition and subtraction. This one is a little complex, actually. It's got the word story. The students then pick how to write that as an equation, looking at the start, the action, and the end, whether the numbers are the parts and totals, the bar model, and what the answer is. This one's multiplication and division. So this is just looking at representing the word problem as an equation. It's designed to be cut and paste. So these don't match up as they are at the moment. Then another idea I had was that the bar model, which is such a powerful model for representing equations, the same bar model can be used for addition and subtraction, and this one shows multiplication and division. So that bar model there with the 4 6s could be 4 multiplied by 6 equals unknown, but it could also be the unknown divided by 4 equals 6. So I'm getting the students to write an equation for both multiplication and division and a story for each of them, so they can put that into real life context. Then recently, the last couple of weeks, I've been working on multi-step problems. So here's an example of a worksheet with multiple steps. Again, this is the same format as the one for multiplication that's got cut and paste. So you match the story to the correct word problem. These ones are all about oranges. Then I'm working on backtracking. So here's 2 worksheets that I've done today that are working on the idea of inverse. So if you can represent an equation as a arrow diagram, you can work out what the unknown is by going backwards. This one is just aimed at showing the connection, and then they'll progress in a different lesson to this one where the equation is actually given. They use the arrow diagram to find the unknown, and it progressively gets a little more complex as I get to the bottom of the worksheet where they have different things are missing. So all of these lessons will be up on the platform very soon, and I hope that you find them useful.